Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we break down the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into the world of footwear accessories with Lace King's oval shoelaces. Now, before we jump in,
don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our reviews.
Alright, let's lace up and get started. First things first, let's talk about the product itself.
These shoelaces aren't your average laces. They're crafted from 100% polyester with a premium woven design. That means they're not only stylish but also built to last.
And speaking of style, Lace Kings offers a wide range of colors to choose from.
Whether you're looking to match your shoes or add a pop of color to your outfit, there's something for everyone. But it's not just about looks. Lace Kings knows that convenience is key. That's why each pair of shoelaces comes with a unique lace tube for easy storage and swapping on the go.
No more digging through drawers to find the right pair. Now, let's talk versatility.
These laces aren't just for sneakers. They're perfect for gym shoes, basketball shoes, casual shoes, and more.
Plus, with their high-quality braiding, they're designed to resist fraying and snagging. So you can count on them to hold up to whatever you throw their way. And here's a pro tip. Make sure to measure your old shoelaces from tip to tip to ensure the perfect fit. Lace Kings even provides a handy guide to help you get the right size.
So you can say goodbye to laces that are either too long or too short.
To wrap things up, Lace King's oval shoelaces are not just your ordinary laces. They're a stylish, functional, and durable accessory that every shoe lover needs in their collection.
So why wait? Head over to Amazon.com and grab yourself a pair today. That's all for today, folks.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Until next time, stay stylish and keep rocking those kicks.